Good morning, guys. It's October 1st, 10:31. Great market day. Absolutely great market day. Time to buy and sell. I did a lot of it early in the morning. I did a lot of selling because I didn't get a chance to talk to you guys earlier, 10 o'clock. So I did a bunch of it. I experimented with the Tesla. One of our option traders, Raul, is going to be running some options with it next week. So he's going to be on board with us. But for now, very choppy day in the market. This is a good day to either make a lot of money or lose a lot of money. I personally don't like to rush into things and buy and sell immediately unless I have to. On the sell side, yes, I will sell it immediately as soon as I have some gains. I'm not going to wait around thinking that that gain is going to go become higher. I'm just going to dump it. Or if I need that cash, I'll dump it. Otherwise, I had some gains on the ring right here. See, it was up 16 points. I honestly didn't get a chance to dump it. I would have sold it, freed up $5,000 in cash. I did dump some Google. I bought it back again. I dumped some Zoom earlier at when it was up 10, 11 points. I dumped about a couple of hundred shares of Boeing. Let's take a look right here. Transactions. And as usual, we'll be transparent right here. See it? Sell, sell. I sold 100 shares and I sold 40 shares. And I also sold another 20 shares right here. See? 20, 40, 180 shares I sold between 222 and 223 and 224. I bought it back at 221.92, and I'm gonna probably buy a little bit more at a lower pricings because I wanna be able to have gains until 224 and 223. So we'll hold off on it, no rush. Okay. What I like to play with is this guy right here, QQQ. And I would advise all of you guys have QQQ in your portfolio. Okay, QQQ. I managed to buy 140 shares slowly. Lowest is 354.48. There may be a bounce, so I'd like to buy another 40 shares at 354.50. We may catch it, we may not. If I catch it, I will go lower with it. If I don't catch it, it will go up and I start dumping the stuff I already bought. Let's check out on the SPY. I did buy some SPY, 50 shares. 427.25. I think I bought it around that price. Let's go check it out. Let's go right here. Okay, well, before we even do that, well, Amazon. Well, I just not forget Amazon. Let me just see what Amazon has done. I did buy some Amazon, 5 shares. Down, I'm gonna go another 5 shares on it. 32.63. It's a bloody day for NASDAQ, so good for us. We'll make money. Okay, let's do a refresh right here. Okay, so Dow's flat, Nasdaq's down almost 100 points, over 100 points. Let's see what we have in here. Let's go to the gains to see if we have any gains we can dump right now. Win. Do I have any gains I can get rid of? Yeah, I got 5, 10, 15, 20 shares I can get rid of at a gain. You know what? In this market, you should grab it. You should take it. Don't get greedy. That's $40, $50 in gain. Whatever that is, grab it. What other gains we have in here? Union Pacific, nothing here. Zoom, nope. My gain fizzled that on it because I didn't take it. Ring looks like it may come back for me to cash out. And I've got Google. I'd like to buy some more shares of Google. Let's see what I bought in here. See it? I bought 5 shares at $26.85. It's okay. If I need that money, $12,000, $13,000, I could dump it right now and just with the almost flat, I can cash it out. So, as big as these company share price are, it's not risky to buy these companies. Believe me. I could buy 10 Google right now. Let's not get greedy here. Let's buy 5 Google right now at $26.82. I mean, think about that. If it drops down, like say NASDAQ goes down another 100 points, which most likely will not happen today, this will go down another 5 points. So what, you lose 5, 10 bucks, 20 bucks the most? But the upside is when it bounces back, this thing bounces back really quick. Your $5 could be valued at 50 bucks or 100 bucks and go up 20 points. Okay, here's another greedy one right here. See, ARC? Well, not greedy. I should have dumped it. But it's low enough for me to buy some more. So anyway, let's just go back to the thing, to our screen right now to see what's worth buying and what's not. I'd like to buy some more SPY. Let's see where SPY is at. It's a good day, really good day. Let's see. Here's my favorite, Boeing. Boeing holding its ground is a good sign. But don't be fooled. It may just drop. By the way, Lucid, I dropped about 90 shares, 100 shares, about 27 and change. It's on its way down. I didn't buy. I only bought 20 just to have as a reference. So I'm going to start adding to my position. Not going to do much. I'm only going to do 10. Slowly buying it back at a lower price point. I would love to pick it up at under 20. Buy probably a bunch of it, but it will probably come down. Okay, so what do we got in here? I dumped Shopify yesterday with the gain. Here's another good one actually. You see it? That's a prime one to pick up. Shopify, right? 1340 is the lowest. I could buy 10 shares of it. Let's see if it doesn't hit the 1340. Let's say I buy 1342, right? Let's just go 1343. It looks like it's holding a 1343. Okay, here we go. I'm going to pick up the 1343 and we'll watch what's going to happen. Let's go down the list. What else we got? We got a bunch of shorts we got to get rid of. I should get rid of some of the shorts right here. Williams Sonoma, I should dump it. See what we have we can convert right now. We got a bunch of conversion right here. Etsy, I should convert it. Yeah, let me convert Etsy. Let me dump it for now, then I'll buy it later. It's a $20 gain. Why not? It's a very, very zero risk gain. That's all it is. It's a zero risk gain. Let's go check out the SPY that I bought earlier. Dollar General, I got to pick up. I got to pick up some 5. We got to pick up all of these right here. These are all broken pieces. Look, okay. I bought 142 shares worth of $50,000. I'm not saying you will have that kind of a portfolio. If you don't, you will get it. But I bought it at $177 loss. But if I want to dump some right now, I could dump some right now if I need the cash. Here we go. We bought more QQQ. Okay, so that's good. That means my losses are just minimized. There's just so much we can buy. But the thing is that market is absolutely going nuts today. So we need to be careful. Can't just don't buy too much. Okay. I'm looking for SPY. Let's see where the SPY is at. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like I picked up another 5 shares right here. 32.63. See it right here? You still got a $22 gain on Amazon. So It does look like it may bounce back, go up higher, much higher, but at this point we don't know. Let's check out the Google down here. 21 shares Google. Same thing. That 5 shares that I just bought gave me almost $15 gain. I could dump it right now if I want to. See, these are big share pricings, but it doesn't mean anything. They fluctuate, but if your quantity is less, it's not going to hurt you much. Worst case scenario would be you walk away with a little bit of a loss if you need that money, if you cannot hold on to it. But this is a great company to hold on to regardless. Let's check it on Boeing actually. I had 500 shares of Boeing earlier. I dumped most of it. I'd like to pick up 20 more at 221.20. Let's see if I can get it. We'll just let it sit here, marinate over that price. Okay, as I said, there's a lot of stuff you can start nibbling on, but the key is not to get excited. Let's see what we have in here. NXPI had a big drop. You see it, I bought 4 as a reference. Dollar General, I'd like to add to my position. 5, I'd like to add to my position. Bubba, I would like to add to my position. These are the ones that I'm going to add to my position slowly. Let's check out QQQ. Yes, I will continue buying QQQ. I've got 202 shares. Let's check out my losses on it, by the way, here. It's down 3 points. Let's see where we can find it. Right here. My loss is still $117. Invested $70,000 in it. Take a look right here. Gain. You see, last 20 gain, last 40 gain. These are all turning to gains. And all of these will turn into gain also. The NASDAQ cannot dive down like that for so many days. It's just been horrible for NASDAQ. But, you know, for me, it's good because I can buy QQQ. I can buy SPY. Let's check out SPY. Okay, let's see. See, earlier, Dow was trying to pick up NASDAQ. It was unsuccessful. Now NASDAQ's going to pull Dow down. And that's the thing. Okay, going back to SPY right here. Lowest is 427.25. Yes, I can pick up 40 more shares at 427.20. Would it hit that? We don't know. But if it does hit it, it would be a deal for me because I could definitely sell it again. Most likely by the end of the day. Let's see. All the Chinese are down today. All of them. They're getting hammered big time. I'd like to go back to my Amazon. I can dump all my Amazon shares if I want the cash. All of these right here with minimal losses, except the single one that I bought a long time ago. By the way, my BA got picked up, 20 shares. Okay, so when BA drops like this, that means it's time for BA to give up gains. So that's okay. I will go down with it slowly. Because if you notice, I did a lot of trading with BA for the past few days. You know, that $2 to $3 price change, for me, it was buy and sell. So I'm going to buy another 20 shares of 221.20. Let's see what direction it's going. Well, it's going down, so why don't we go lower with it? We'll go 220, 221. Because it looks like it is dropping. Then we'll wait. Okay. As I said, there's a lot of stuff you can pick up, but you got to pick them up slowly. Remember Dollar Tree? I dropped it at 98. Let's see where it is right now. It didn't even hit 100. This is precisely what I'm talking about. By the way, my 221 price got picked up. It's 94 right now. Okay. Yes, I will pick up 10 more shares. Only 10. I dropped 100. I sold 100 shares at 94. Let's see if it gets picked up. May get picked up. Why am I going to hold $600-$700 worth of gain on the table and thinking that it's going to go up higher. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so anyway, so you guys know the stocks you should buy. Um, don't go crazy. Monday would be another drop day. We don't know. At this rate, it's going to be September, October bad days. So just be careful. But review your orders, your stocks. Hopefully, there's going to be a bounce back in the afternoon. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Short